As you may wonder, what is our project about? Well, let's talk about why we choose Marina Bay Sands first. Firstly, it's one of Singapore's landmarks. Secondly, it has unique shape and design that are interesting. So, why is it important to do a study on it? As the pictures show, the wind pattern will change after hitting the building. This change may cause problems like unsteady flow, and on fresh air and so on. We want to know about if MBS also have these kind of problems. How can we have our own building to do testing? The answer is, we make our scale model. At first we use a software called Pro Engineering to design the model. And then, we are lucky to use the 3D printer in our school to print out the model with ABS plastic. As you can see in the video, the printer melt the plastic inside the head first, and then print out one layer by one layer to make the model. It took nearly 4 hours to finish one part, and we have total 5 parts. Smoke wire is simply a high-resistance copper wire that we apply polyethylene glycol. We also use high-speed camera to capture the change of the smoke pattern, which is quite fast for our eyes to notice. The window of the wind tunnel is modified with a pulley wire system attached. Wire is inserted through the hole in the window across the wind tunnel. Each end of the wire is fastened with weights to ensure tension in the wire. The model is placed inside the wind tunnel, and a stand is used to support the model, and adjusted to a height so that the smoke cuts through the center of the model. Here are some of the video clips from the high-speed camera. You can see from the video, the steady flow hit the model become unsteady. And we think, this unsteady flow may cause safety issues for the helicopters which are flying nearby. Here are some close looks for the video. As you can see, after hit the model, some smoke even flow backward. And this feels amazing when you see it yourself. These pictures are captured in our simulation section. The brighter area means high airspeed flow, the darker area means low airspeed flow. As you can see, behind the model, high-speed flow is blocking low-speed flow from escaping, and this is why the air behind the building may not be fresh. It's because it can't change with fresh air. High-rise buildings usually take air in from outside, but if it's this situation, the air intake may not be fresh, which may make people inside feel uncomfortable. And with low airspeed flow behind the building, the heat also can't be transferred, which will increase the initial temperature of the building, and will directly increase the cost of air conditioning system to lower down the temperature. Actually, after we research, we found out that MBS doesn't have much problem as we think. First, the gap design between the hotel towers accelerate the air passes through, which help relieve the air trap problem. And as a hotel, Marina Bay Sands has a good ventilation system. It highly purify the air it takes in, to make sure it won't make people inside feel uncomfortable. Through the researching and studying in our project, we think to solve this kind of problem, the most important thing is the design of the building. With a good design, the initial problem will be lesser, no matter the air trap problem, or the unsteady flow problem. Thanks for watching and listening to us.